Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add really cool transition to your video in Filmora. So transition is extremely useful if you have multiple clips and you want to transition between one scene to another very smoothly and doesn't disrupt the flow of the video. Now as you can see here, I have two different clips. One is snowy mountain and the other is tropical mountain with a lot of forest, a lot of trees. Now it's just, basic cut. There is no transition between scenes, and it's okay, but generally speaking, if you want to make the video more smooth, you want to make it more engaging, then it's always a good idea to add some transition. Now if you want to add a transition, you have to go to, oh by the way, I forgot to mention that the two clips have to be together. Basically you cannot put it far away, you cannot add gaps between them. You have to make sure that these two clips are together, they are somewhat connected. Now go to transitions, and then here on the transitions menu you will see plenty of different styles that you can apply to your video. And regarding the ones that you should be using, it's really up to you, but generally speaking it's always a good idea to try multiple different transitions effects and see which one is the most appropriate for this video. Now I could try something like dissolve, which is a very simple style. If you play the video, it's going to look something like this. So it's smoothly transition between one video to another. But I want to try something that's somewhat appropriate to the video, so I'm going to remove this and I want to try warp zoom number 6. So as you can see, this video is actually drone shot and it's going backward. The same is true for the other video. It's also drone shot and it's going backward. Now I want to apply this warp zoom because this zoom is kind of similar to the video itself. So if you preview it, so it's very similar. So when you apply that, it's going to create really nice transition effect. Let's play it back. It's very smooth. It's almost like we just entered a portal and then now we are in a different location. It's really amazing. Now usually one thing that I sometimes add to my videos is I want to add some sound effect in the transition. So let's go to audio, and if you navigate to sound effect, you will see plenty of different short sound effect that you can apply to your clip. Now I want to try simple whoosh. I think it's called whoosh. Let's try that. Now I'm going to click this and then drag it right here, roughly in the middle. And let's try to make sure that it is playing exactly when the video, when the transition happened. So let's play it back. Okay, I think I have to start it a bit earlier. Let's try it again. Or you can also make the transition a bit shorter to accommodate the short duration of the animation. So that's definitely a lot better. Yeah. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can apply some really cool transition between one scene to another using Filmora. So if you found this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.